good one. Question number 2. Class 7. Look at very carefully. This is simple question. Now, what the question is? I am reading the question first. Arrange it into descending order. Okay. The given fraction into descending order. Now, what do you think? Like here 2, 2, 8. Okay. So, you are writing like this, right? Okay. This is the answer, right? Means you are thinking about it. But in fraction, no need to solve directly because the pattern is different. Here the number is different. Now first what? LCM of denominator, like this. Take LCM of denominator. Okay. So I am writing 3, 3 is a 9, 3, 1, 3, 7, like this. You will take LCM. Okay. Now LCM you know very well, you have already studied about in 6th or 5th class. LCM. So 7 into 3 is 21. 21 into 3 is 63. So LCM what? LCM of this question is denominator 9, 3, 21 is 63, right? Now comes in next step. This is our first step. Take LCM of denominator. What is our LCM? 63. Now next point is simple. Write 2 upon 9 like this. Write 2 upon 3 like this, and 8 upon 21. 8 upon 21 like this. Okay. So this is the question. Now equal sign like this. Okay. Multiply sign like this. Okay. This is very simple concept. Now like this, and 63, which is our LCM, right in denominator. 63. Okay. First question, then multiply, equal sign, and denominator 63 LCM, right? Now 63 divided by first denominator, what you will get? 7, right? So 7, 7. Okay, again 63 divided by 3, you will get 21. Again 63 divided by 21, you will get 3. Right. Now simple multiply. 2 7s are 14. 2 21s are 42. 8 3s are 24. Now look at this number. Tell me which one is the greatest, because now 63 means complete having 63 parts, right? Now 24, 42, 14. Descending order means greater to smaller. So what is our greatest digit? 42 upon 63. This is our first number. And what is next? Second point is this one, 24 upon 63, and third is 14 upon 63. Now what we have to do is write the question of this number. What is our question? 2 upon 3. So first 2 upon 3. Now second is 24 upon 63, that means 8 upon 21. 8 upon 21, and descending sign is there. Okay. Now what third? 2 upon 9. So like this, 2 upon 9. This is also very simple question, right? So arrangement, I think now you are clear about arrangements. How can you arrange the digit in descending or ascending order, right? Now look at this second part. Second part I am going to explain you. This is also very simple. Look at second part. What is our first step to solve this number? Simple. First we have to take LCM. So LCM of 5, 7 and 10. Okay. What is our LCM? Simple. 350. Okay. This is our LCM. 1 upon 3, 3 upon 7. Same concept. Remember? I am writing here 1 upon 3. Sorry, 1 upon 5. Then 3 upon 7. And then 7 upon 10. Now what is our next step? Multiplication, multiplication. Like this. Now equal sign, equal sign, equal sign. Okay. Write in denominator. What is our LCM? 350. So write 350, denominator 350, denominator 350 LCM. Now next step, 350 divided by 5. You will get 70. Okay. 350 divided by 7. You will get 50. 350 divided by 10. You will get 35. Right. Now 1 into 70 is 70. 3 into 50 is 150. 245. Okay. Now look, which one is greater? 245. So first this digit, second one, this one, and third one, this one. This is just opposite, right? So first question is 7 upon 10. Right, 7 upon 10. Then second, 3 upon 7. And third one is 1 upon 5. It is easy, very easy, right? So solve many more questions like this, okay, and do practice. Now question number